Adding ChatGPT as a Chrome extension is a very wild thought, but this video is a step-by-step guide on how you can simply do it without so much fuss. First, you need to go to the Chrome extension store, whatever the browser you are using. For example, I'm using Brave, by the way. You have to go to the Brave and you have to search for extensions like Monica. Monica is one of the extensions that you can use. However, you can use another favorite extension that you want to use. Now you have to add to Brave or add to your extension. You have to install it, then enable it. After signing up to the extension, then you can use it. Simply just open any website that you want to use. Now on the right side, you can see the options provided by the extension. For example, you can click on the summarize page. Here you can chat to ChatGPT and other models. About the page, for example, I'm talking about the page. Here you can see there are so many options, answers I can get throughout the Chrome extension without going to any specific web page. So this was how you can use Chrome extension as a ChatGPT in your favorite browser, and I'll see you in the next one.